Hello, peeps! And in this video, I am going to be expanding Frankenpencil even more because it's a laser. It's demolished. It's gone, frankly enough. Wait, no, it's not. Huh, must have done it. I sure I didn't do it, but I guess I must have. Well, video over then. Huh? Are you guys seeing that? Those words there. What? So you're alive? Huh. Did you don't have arms. How did you add this onto yourself? How did you do this? Oh. Can you show the lovely people on YouTube? Why not? Oh. Fails fail. So, how are you alive? That's not very specific. Can you provide, like, when did you gain sentience, I guess? When did you gain sentience? Oh, so then you decided to add on to yourself? Oh, that's how I found the random pencil without, a sword. Well, that explains that. Do you have any idea who gave you sentience? Huh. I suppose we could go seek them out if you wanted. Yeah, that's fail. You're only, what, like, a month old at the latest? Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll give you a bit of time to adjust. Well, do you want to do some stuff together? Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's do some stuff together tomorrow. Yeah, it's getting a bit late. It's like, yeah, it's a bit late to do stuff. Okay, well, this is weird. Goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh yeah. Yeah, you were some goodbye too. Oh, also, can you tell them to like and subscribe? Thank you. And comment. Oh, okay, well, comment as well, even if this guy doesn't think you should. So yeah, goodbye.